In this video, I will show you the wiring instruction of a ADL400. As you can see in the picture, the left part is the circuit breaker, and the main body is a ADL400, besides which is the smart gateway, and the right side is the current transformer. The display board shows the three-phase 4-wire ADL400 connection. The lower terminal is connected to the current transformer, which will connect to the load. In reality, the primary current of the transformer flows from the P1 surface to the P2 surface. The secondary current corresponds to the output of a mutual sensor. S1 is connected to I terminal, S2 is connected to I terminal, so are the mutual B sensor and C sensor. B mutual sensor S1 is connected to IB terminal, S2 is connected to IB terminal. C mutual sensor S1 is connected to IC terminal, S2 is connected to IC terminal. And the upper terminal of the meter is connected to the voltage incoming line UA, UB, and UC are connected to A, B, C, three-phase voltage respectively, and N is connected to the neutral wire. Port 21 and port 22 are the communication terminals, so RS485A B-A connects to port 21, and B connects to port 22. After the circuit breaker is connected to the power supply, turn the switch up and the devices are all powered on. The voltage, current, and other data can be checked by up and down key. This is the instruction of ADL400 3P4W connection.